I had a stroke in 2001. I had a 1% chance of survival. I had a 9-day brain bleed. I recovered for 7 years, and I haven't had jobs since. My contract changed. I have a maximum of a 14-hour day. When it first happened, I didn't want to tell anybody because if something goes wrong with you, you're out. Something went wrong with me. I've been out for 20 years. I haven't had jobs. I was a very big movie star at one point in my life. I broke a lot of glass ceilings with the top of my head. Diversity can mean more than one thing. Diversity can be an injury. Diversity can be the color of your skin. Diversity can mean standing up for yourself. We are here to raise our voices to demand for you. We demand that you be seen. We demand that you be heard. I would have loved to have been heard, but since I wasn't, I decided to work so that you could be heard. I have spent the last 20 years plus working for the World Health Organization, working for the United Nations, working for governments all over the world so that you can be heard. Raise your voices, please.